Hello students, today we will start integration. First question is what is integration? Before going to definition of integration, let us suppose we have some functions f of x, g of x and h of t. Suppose f of x is x cube, g of x is 3x and ht is 2t square. Suppose I want to find its derivative. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of gx is 3 and derivative of ht is 4t. This is what we have done in derivatives, differentiation. कि अगर मुझे कोई फंक्शन गिवन है, मुझे उसका डेरिवेटिव निकालना है, तो हम ये करते हैं. अब व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन? इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? रिवर्स प्रोसेस. अगर मुझे किसी फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव गिवन है और मुझे उस फंक्शन की वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटीग्रेशन. राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन. इट इज अ रिवर्स प्रोसेस. Integration, it is reverse process of differentiation. It is also called antiderivative. It is also called antiderivative. So what is integration? Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. It is also called antiderivative. Now we have function f dash x is equals to 3x square. G dash x is equals to 3. Now I want to find the value of fx and gx here. So what will we do? We will integrate this function. After integrate, then 3x square, integral of x square is x cube by 3, so we get x cube. So this is called integration, that is reverse process of differentiation. Write out the process of determining the original function. The process of determining original function. The process of determining original function from its derivative. Is called antiderivative or integration. तो क्या हुआ इंटीग्रेशन? प्रोसेस ऑफ डिटरमाइनिंग द ओरिजिनल फंक्शन फ्रॉम इट्स डेरिवेटिव इज कॉल्ड एंटीडेरिवेटिव और इंटीग्रेशन. Now next is notations for the integration. We write the integral function as integral of f of x dx is equals to f of x plus c. What is this? This is integral sign. The function is called integrand and dx is differentiation. And what is f of x plus c? This is antiderivative, or we can say integral. where c is called constant of integration. C is called constant of integration. Now why we add this c, that is constant of integration, in the questions of integration? Suppose we have function f of x is equals to x cube, g of x is equals to x cube plus 4 and hx is equals to x cube plus 6. Suppose we have function this. Now I want to find the derivative of these functions. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of x cube 3x square. Derivative of constant term is 0. Again for h of x, derivative of x cube is 3x square and derivative of the constant term is 0. So write down the process of anti-differentiation. The process of anti-differentiation does not determine process of anti-differentiation does not determine a single function but rather a family of functions. Each different from others by constant. So integration is not only a single function but rather a family of functions, each differing from one another by constants. कि हर एक में constant value different होगी, so that is integration, a family of function, not only a single function. Now next question is why we need to study integration. हमें integration पढ़ने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? Why we need to study integration? Why we need to study integration? Let y is equals to 4 of x. Y and x both are variables. If we want to find dy upon dx is 4. dy upon dx. What is dy upon dx? Rate of change of one variable with respect say at that time we want to need integration. Write down one more. In differentiation, we chop things into finer and in integration we collect all such finals. We collect all such finals. डिफरेंशिएशन क्या था कि किसी भी चीज को हम चॉप कर रहे हैं इनटू फाइनल्स मतलब पार्ट्स में, और इंटीग्रेशन क्या है उन सभी फाइनल्स को कलेक्ट करना, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन. हमने अभी बात करी थी कि इंटीग्रेशन इज फैमिली, नॉट अ सिंगल फंक्शन बट अ फैमिली ऑफ फंक्शंस. तो उन सभी फंक्शंस को कलेक्ट करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटीग्रेशन. सपोज वी टेक एन एग्जांपल. Suppose I make a dough of wheat flour, आटे का डो बनाते हैं, उसके हम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स करते हैं, that is differentiation. Differentiation क्या कि उनको अलग अलग सेपरेट पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. अगर मैं उसी डो को उन्हीं पार्ट्स को इकट्ठा करके दोबारा रख देती हूँ तो अगेन डो बन जाता है, that is called integration. That is to collect all such finals, that is called integration. Let us study some interesting facts about integration. Integration is used to give strength to integration is used to give strength to building of Petronas Tower in Kuala Lumpur, in Malaysia, to give strength of the building of Petronas Tower, integration is used. और इंटीग्रेशन का यूज कहाँ हुआ है? In design of Sydney Opera House. In design of Sydney Opera House, based on slices out of ball. जो सिडनी ओपेरा हाउस का डिजाइन है, अगर सपोज हमारे पास एक बॉल है उसमें से हम स्लाइसेस अलग अलग करते हैं तो उस डिजाइन का बना हुआ है. इसमें भी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, दैट इज वन काइंड ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन यूज हुआ है. और इंटीग्रेशन कहाँ पे यूज होता है? इंटीग्रेशन वाज फर्स्ट यूज्ड इन फाइंडिंग वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाइन कास्क्स, in finding area under the curve, center of mass, displacement, velocity, fluid flow, etc. हम इंटीग्रेशन के यूजेस पढ़ेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन में. वहां पे एरिया अंडर अ कर्व और एरिया बिटवीन टू रीजन्स को फाइंड करने के लिए वी विल यूज इंटीग्रेशन. डेली लाइफ एग्जांपल अभी हमने ली थी. अगर हम आटे का डो बनाते हैं उसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स कर देते हैं, दैट इज डिफरेंशिएशन, और उनको कलेक्ट करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटीग्रेशन. Now next is some basic integration rules. Write down. Basic integration rules. Suppose we have some function into constant term, so we can write it as constant outside the integral into integral of f of x dx. This is called constant multiple rule. कांस्टेंट के साथ कोई फंक्शन मल्टीप्लाई है, कांस्टेंट मल्टीपल रूल. थर्ड वन इज इंटीग्रल ऑफ दो फंक्शंस है इन एडिशन, सो वी कैन राइट दिस इंटीग्रल सेपरेटली. इंटीग्रल ऑफ f of x dx प्लस इंटीग्रल ऑफ gx dx. दिस इज कॉल्ड सम रूल. नेक्स्ट वन इज अगर कोई दो फंक्शन हमारे पास सब्ट्रैक्शन में है, f of x minus g of x dx, then we can write them separately. f of x dx minus integral of gx dx. This is called difference rule. Integral of x power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant of integration n should not be equals to minus 1. This is called simple power rule. Why n should not be equals to minus 1? Because when n is minus 1 plus 1 0 and something upon 0 it becomes infinity. So this is the rule. Or integral of 1 dx is usually written as integral of dx, that is equals to x plus c. Note it down. Integral of 1 upon x dx is equals to log of x. We will not apply here the simple power rule. Integral of 1 by x is log of x. Note it down. Next one is some general formulas for integration of trigonometric functions. Integration of trigonometric functions. Integral of sine of x. What is the integral of sine x? Is equals to minus cos of x plus c. Integral of cos of x